Hi everyone, today I'm showing how to cut a flush mount vent into engineered hardwood flooring. First, place the vent frame centered over the duct opening and use a pencil to mark the outline on the first plank. Then, double check the size with the frame and mark the inside edges more precisely. Next, I cut the center line using a table saw. After that, I use a miter saw to cut both sides and take out the middle piece. If the corners aren't fully cut, I clean them up with a utility knife for sharp square edges. Then I sand around the cut with sandpaper. I apply wood glue around the frame to secure it in place and prevent lifting or loosening from heat. Nail it down. Make sure the small pieces are aligned and nail them as well. Keep marking the last plank with a utility knife and repeat the cuts using the table saw and miter saw. Double check the fit of the frame and sand all edges for a clean finish. And that's it, clean, flush and tight. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more flooring tips.